Welcome to Sacred Heart High School. So today we are going to start with Maths lesson number 11, Statistics Part A. Children, statistics is a branch of mathematics that deals with collecting, organizing, analyzing and interpreting the data. So today we are going to learn in stats, arithmetic mean, subdivided bar graph or diagram as well as a percentage bar graph or diagram one by one. So let's start with the arithmetic mean. It says that arithmetic mean is to find the mean of numerical data, add all the scores in the data and divide the sum by the total number of scores. For example, the weights in kg of 10 boys from a team are recorded as follows: 55, 53, 48, 47, 54, 49, 64, 45, 55, 50. Find their mean weight. Solution: mean is equals to sum of all scores upon total number of scores. So, we are going to write the sum of all the scores in the numerator as well as we are going to write the total number of scores in the denominator. So, let's see the total number of scores. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, we are going to write 10 in the denominator. On further solving, we have 520 upon 10, that is equals to 52. So, the answer is the mean weight of boys is 52 kg. But children, if the scores are more, adding them will take a lot of time. So, it's simplified by making a frequency distribution table. Example: the marks obtained by 37 students of Standard 8 in a test of 10 marks are given below. Find the mean of the data. Here we have the string of scores given. They are too larger. The numbers are too big. Let's start with the solution. If we go on adding the scores one after the other, it will take a lot of time. But we know that 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 can be written as 7 into 6, that is equals to 42. This simplifies the operation of addition when a number is to be added to itself. So, let us use the method and add the numbers by classifying them. Solution: I have once again written these numbers, these scores, for my convenience. Now, prepare the frequency table where we require 4 columns. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 columns. The first column consists of the marks or scores or xi. The second column consists of the tally marks. Children, tally marks are clustered in a group of 5 such that from first to fourth numbers are vertical lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4 vertical lines. And the fifth is just a stroke that closes out a group of 5. Third column is the number of frequency, that is Fi. The fourth column is the product of Fi into Xi. Now, in the first column, we need to write the scores in the ascending order. Ascending means, children, from smaller to bigger. For that, first from these data that has been given to us, first we need to get the smaller number and we also need to know the bigger number. So, I know that in the scores given, the smaller number is 2 and the greater number is 10. So, I'll write all the numbers from 2 to 10 in my first column. Now, Write the tally marks in the second column. Count the tally marks of scores and write the frequency of the score denoted as Fi. Here we need to count the tally marks. Write the sum of all the frequencies. We need to add the sum, add all the frequencies below the frequency column. The total frequency is denoted as n. After adding, you will get the n as 37. In the last column, write the products of Fi into Xi. This is Fi and this is Xi. So here I'll write the product of each number. 1 into 2 equals to 2. In this way, I am going to write the product of Fi and Xi. The sum of Fi and Xi is denoted as sigma Fi into Xi. That is, sigma is the summation or the sum. It indicates the total, the sum of the product of Fi into Xi. Add up all the values. You get 259. Now we need to get the mean. So the formula for mean for this frequency table is summation of Fi into Xi upon n. That is equals to 259 upon 37. On further solving, we get our value as 7. The next part will be continued in the next video. Thank you.